Sharing a resource, a free accounting simulator with AP, AR, GL, VAT scenarios. It feels like a real job. This is the login. The username is entered, no password required. Here the user has entered the active workspace. This is the first task in the queue and the accuracy score is 0. The vendor is AP Suppliers. You can see the amount under invoice number SINO16. The core conflict is identified in the verification instruction. The invoice charges a full shipment. The system record shows P05016 total of 302, while the GRN 5016 only confirms 145 delivered. The user is told to check for a missing GRN before proceeding with the post now, on hold, or reject options. Now it shows the second task. The accuracy score now 100. The vendor is Emerald Tech, and you see that the invoice total. The challenge here is tax compliance. The verification instruction notes that the VAT number on the invoice does not match the supplier's registered VAT number on the VIVs. The system record confirms P050 total quantity of 172. This should confirm with the vendor why there is a mismatching VAT number before the invoice can be processed. Moving on, the user reaches the third task, and the accuracy score is now 200. Vendor Dippy Goods merged with a massive amounted invoice. The error described is a technical OCR failure where the software misread a prior year's date as the current year, causing an old invoice to appear as new. The system record section confirms duplicate invoice detected, and the user is tasked to avoid a double payment. Here, the user is at the fourth stage with a score of 300. The vendor is Bailey Goods Merch, and the amount is significantly lower. The verification instruction points to a procedural error. Supplier invoices expired PO. The system record for P05020 shows a quantity of 0, yet the GRN0 shows a quantity of 148 has been received. This is a classic misuse of old PO number by the vendor. The user is instructed to contact the procurement department to sort it out. Now, the user is on the fifth task with a score of 400. The vendor is Kunster Merch. Supplier invoices, cancelled PO. The system records for P05002 explicitly list the quantity as cancelled, yet there is a corresponding GRN 5000 to showing 125 units received. The user is directed to procurement to review the situation, as the system cannot post an invoice against a cancelled order. Then it moves away from the processing queue to a trial completion screen. A message unlock AP Image Simulator, informing the user that they have reached the end of their initial free trial. It requests honest feedback for an access code to continue using the simulator. A link is shown below, and users who have already submitted their feedback can enter their code. There are other accounting modules, specifically AR Accounts Receivable, GL General Ledger, and VAT simulators. Click the link below to access them for free. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more. See you soon.